Want to delete all files and databases from Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, go to the website section and select the domain you want to manage. Click on Dashboard, then navigate to the Hosting section. In the middle panel, click on Files and select File Manager. Click on Access Files for your domain, which will open a new tab. Locate the public HTML folder, select it, and click on the trash can icon. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Check Skip Trash Can and delete immediately, then click Delete. To remove databases, go back to the File Manager page. Click on Databases. Under Management, find your MySQL databases. Click the triple dot icon and select Delete. Confirm the deletion, and the database will be permanently removed. That's how you can delete files and databases in Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And do you want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.